back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. Let's do it. How's everyone doing? I've had too much coffee, but it's okay. It's fine. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing. I just kicked the camera. I can't. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing. I have our trusty rusty screwdriver, and we're gonna open her up. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you would like to, I'll leave my referral link down below. And you can use it to get $25 towards your first box with Stitch Fix. It's pretty neat. And then I would get $25 as well if you use it. And I'll leave a description below about Stitch Fix. I get a lot. I think this is like my 73rd box maybe. Whew. There's some things in here. I opened her up. Let's see. They send you the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep. And they send you your invoice and your stylist note. So let's read that before I show you what's in here. I don't think it's my regular stylist just by looking at it. I know they send you like a Stitch Fix preview now of 10 items and you can pick up to 5. I picked one thing from it and then the stylist filled in the rest. I don't think it's my regular one. It's not. I just saw the name. Okay. Welcome to your 2022 Fix, Rachel. Thank you. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season and you're looking forward to all that the new year has to offer. Hopefully this fix helps start things off right. My name is Amberly. Hi, Amberly. I'm your stylist for Fix number 73. I saw your request for Deanna and it doesn't look like... Oh! Deanna. It doesn't look like she's with Stitch Fix anymore, so hopefully I can step into her place and make you just as happy. Deanna, I hope whatever you're doing now, you love it so much. I'm really gonna miss you. I know I haven't had you like the last month or two maybe of fixes, but you did a great job. You did a really great job, and I just want you to know that. So, thanks, Deanna. I'm not emotional. You are. Stop it. First, I want to thank you for doing such an awesome job on leaving feedback and requests, as well as keeping your inspiration board updated. Thank you. I took a lot of ideas from that today, and since you just purchased a striped top from your freestyle shop, I did. Pink clover, Nicole textured pullover. I have it in 5 colors. And since you just purchased a striped top from your freestyle shop, grab that to help me create the first look. Okay, with that top on, pull on the olive slink boyfriend jeans, the Tom's suede shoes, and then layer the look with the 41 Hawthorne puffer vest. Okay, I will. I'll try it. Maybe it'll be great. The last time I wore a vest was in middle school. We'll try it out. We'll try it out. Enjoy, Amberly. Thank you, Amberly. This is our first box together, Amberly. It's gonna be a journey. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Now, our bundle's small because there's only 3 clothing pieces. 3 clothing pieces. And then, as she mentioned, we have the shoes. And these are the Tom's Classic Alpargata 1.0 suede leather wrap in the color olive. So, look at her. She's pretty. She's suede, so I really would not wear these until spring or summer because it's winter here and the snow and, you know, that old chestnut. Crinkle, crinkle. But we'll try them on. I just don't think I'm ready for that type of shoe yet, Amberly. I'm pretty set in my ways as far as shoes go. I wear the same pair pretty much every day to work. But these would be nice, like I said, in like the spring or summer. I just took this out. I'll put it back in, I swear, when I package it back up. But you want me to try them on, so I gotta take them out. I'll put them back in. And they have a little Stitch Fix shoe bag, which will be, you know, come in handy. I like them when you pack to go somewhere. You can even use those bags for like your dirty clothes and stuff, or to keep them separate from your other clothes and your luggage. So there's the shoe. It's nice. There's the bottom. Nice texture. Won't slip around. And then she sent us this clutch. Look at her. This is the Market & Spruce Elisa Clutch in gray. And it comes with a strap. It comes with a strap. Or you can just use it as a clutch. It folds over. It has a big opening right there. And then it has a pocket here. Here's the little hardware to attach the strap. There's a pocket here. Oh, look, there's a pocket here. And then there's all those little spots for your credit cards and stuff. That is actually pretty nice. And then it has a magnet closure. That's pretty nice. We're going on vacation at the end of April. So this could be nice. I do have that, what's it called? Fanny pack from FabFitFun that I was planning to take. But this is nice too. It is nice. I don't know if I'll keep it this time around. It has a pocket. It has a zipper pocket on the inside too. Market & Spruce, man. This is my Market & Spruce I kept from the last unboxing for Stitch Fix. It has a zipper pocket and then it has another pocket inside and the strap, like I said. So it looks like gold hardware. It's really cute. I like the metallic snake skin. I think that's nice. It's fancy. You could do a lot of things with it. It's very neutral. So we'll have to think about that. Who knows? Maybe this will be a 5 for 5. Who knows? All right, and then let's get into the bundle. Here's our first one. This is the one that I picked. I thought it was something different. It's a little mock neck. It has buttons right there. It has a cutout in the front and the back. And it has these kind of sheer sleeves. I thought it was just something cute and different to try. New year. Oh, sorry. Coffee. This is by Lush. It's the Sierra cutout blouse in black, size XL. And the neck is stretchy, so it won't bug you too much, I think. And next we have the vest. Like I said, vests were all the rage in middle school. You go to Old Navy, you get all the vests in all the colors. Here's the vest. It is quilted. It has pockets. The sides, though, are a different material, like a ribbed knit. Ooh. Sorry, I got really excited by the inside. The inside's plaid. Here's the front, a little neck. I don't know what to show on a vest. It's got a zipper. Here's the back. It has little button details on the back. As far as vests go, it's quite lovely. It's by 41 Hawthorne, the Dolce Quilted Puffer Vest in burnt orange, size XL. We will try it. We will try it. And last but not least, we have the boyfriend jeans, Slink jeans, Tasha boyfriend jean in olive, size 14W, because I did size down because I am losing some weight. Get healthier, you know, new year. In olive. They're boyfriend jean. I don't know, I don't have any boyfriend jeans, so there's the light. All right, well, let's try everything on. I'm gonna go grab that sweater, you know, pink clover, Nicole textured pullover that I have in 5 colors. I'm gonna go grab that because that's what she said to do. So we will be right back. I will be right back. I'll be right there. It'll be a second for you. Doc Brown! It's fine. I'm just not used to a vest. Do I feel like Marty McFly? A little bit. A little bit. It's really comfortable though. If you're a vest girl, it's really comfortable. My core feels warm. It's just, it flattens it out. It's a really pretty color too. It's coming off more vibrant on camera, but it's more like a muted kind of salmon-y color. Let's do it undone. Here's that shirt. Let me just here's the shirt. Isn't that cute? Stitch Fix, Nicole textured pullover. All right, here's the vest. I think I'm just not a vest girl. I'm just not a vest girl, Amberly. But it's very comfortable. And here's the inside. I mean, that's super cute. I don't think it's reversible. It's not. Just by looking at the zipper and such and the hardware. No, I would say no. But here it is. All right. I can't. I'm just not a vest girl, and that's okay. I'm glad I tried it because Stitch Fix is also great for trying new things. Here's the pants and the shoes. I don't think I need to show you the clutch anymore. Unless you want me to, I'll hold it. Here's the clutch. Here it is. Here's the pants. They fit really nice. They fit really nicely. I could wear these to work. They have real pockets in the front and back. They have a little extra like kind of stitching there for some reason. Pockets front and back. And then there's the shoes as well. I think you are totally right, Amberly, that this shirt looks really good with these pants and the shoes. Here's the shoes. They're very comfortable. I just don't think I need them at this time with all the snow and everything, like I said. But they're really cute. Maybe in the spring or summer, because we'll still be together then, because I like to stick with my stylists and give them a chance if I can't have Deanna. So, yeah, they are very cute. All right, okay. Sorry, I had coffee. I know I'm annoying, but I love this sweater. Like she said, I got it from the Shop Your Looks. They look really good with these pants, like she thought they would. And let's try on the other top. This is going to be a short try on. Here we go. Hello. Here's the other top. I'm surprised my dog hasn't barked yet with all the hellos I'm doing. Yeah, here's the other top. It's something different. I just tucked my necklace up into here. I think it's kind of cute. I have a short neck though, as I've said a million bajillion times. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Definitely not with these pants. I think that's too much. So let's just step closer and get the pants out of the equation. Here's the back. The back has that cut out as well. Hello. Hello. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I think no. I think no. I don't know if I'm going to keep anything from this box. Let's go over prices and find out. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Okay. Hi Rachel, thanks for letting us style fix number 73 for ya. Your stylist picks from Amberly. Okay, here we go. Alright, so the Slink Tasha Boyfriend Jean in Olive, $98. So that is more than I would like to spend on a pair of jeans. I think my limit is like, I think Vagos jeans from them are like $68, and that's my limit because I just love Vagos. The Tom's Classic Alpargata 1.0 suede leather in olive, size 7, $69.95. Again, a little too pricey for me. Lush, and it's just not the right season. Lush Sierra cutout blouse in black, size XL, $44. It was something different. I just don't think I like it. Marketing Spruce Elisa clutch in gray, $44. It is really cute. 41 Hawthorne Dolce quilted puffer vest in burnt orange, size XL, $68. So the stylist pick subtotals $323.95. If you bought everything, you get $80. You get 25% off, and it would be $80.99, making the order subtotal $242.96 for everything, which I like. After the 25% discount, I like my boxes to be around like $170, $180, or even lower if possible. So I'll leave some feedback for our new stylist, my new stylist. I say our because I like to share these with you as it is my hobby. So I don't think I'm going to keep anything from this box, and it's not Amberly's fault or anything. It just was a little too pricey for me. The pants were really cute, but I'm just not going to pay $98 for them. And the clutch is really cute, and the shoes are really cute. I think those are my style, but I just don't need them right now. So yeah, that's it. Sorry if it's underwhelming, just that I'm not keeping anything, but everything was really nice. I really like that she looked at what I bought previously and told me to pair this with everything. And she read all my stuff. That's really awesome that they do that. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go eat some lunch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.